a certain district engineer made mention, Mr. Chairman, you were there, pinakialaman yung unprogrammed, hindi alam ng kahit sino, sila lang ang nakialam, ginawa yung programa, inilagay sa flood control, ipinangalan sa isang individual nang hindi din niya alam, this is according to the district engineer, at naparelease itong programa na ito. I am just putting this into the records. Meron din po kaming mga nakita, and I'm sure this is it's more than this number, more than this figure. And uulitin ko po, Secretary, although nabanggit niyo na po ito, wala po akong kinalaman dito sa flood control na to, at binanggit din ni Secretary Bonoan, dating Secretary Villar, RD Tolentino, even DE Alcantara made mention, no, na wala tayong nilagay or anything about flood control, because from the very start, galit na galit tayo dun sa flood control na hindi integrated yung plano, walang master plan. And ito yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, binabanggit kanina ni Senator Bong, ni Chairman, yung tungkol dun sa unprogrammed. Dun sa unprogrammed po ba, may nakita na tayo, sa unprogrammed released funds 2023, 2024, may nakita na rin po ba tayo na ghost project? In Bulacan na lang po, may nakita na rin po ba tayo?
Sa ngayon po, hindi pa, ongoing pa rin po noong aming mga investigasyon kasama ang ICI. I will find out po kung merong specifically sa unprogrammed accounts from 2023 and 2024, kung meron pong nakita. Pero sa ngayon po, hindi ko po masasabi, Mr. Chairman.
I made mention about it, Secretary, because I have personal knowledge right now because of the developments that had happened during the hearings, the course of hearings. Siguro tanungin na din kita, Secretary. Imagine in the hearing conducted here in the Senate, a certain district engineer made mention, Mr. Chairman, you were there, pinakialaman yung unprogrammed, hindi alam ng kahit sino, sila lang ang nakialam, ginawa yung programa, inilagay sa flood control, ipinangalan sa isang individual, nang hindi din niya alam, this is according to the district engineer, at naparelease itong programa na ito. So how could that be? May we know, Mr. Secretary, if this is normal?
Sa akin pong limited na pagkakaintindi, no, in fact, habang nagtatanong po kayo, tinanong ko po ang ating mga undersecretary. Ang unprogram po kasi, yan po ay sinasubmit ng secretary ng DPWH sa Department of Budget and Management for release. No, hindi po yan hindi po yan dumediretso sa either sa region or sa distrito. Kailangan po yan ay manggagaling sa secretary po mismo ng DPWH. No, so yun po ang proseso. No, pero I think ito na rin po ay tinitignan na rin at tinitignan na rin at pinupusisi na rin ng iba pang mga ahensya natin ng gobyerno. Kasama na rin po ang ombudsman, kasama na rin po ang DOJ, kasama na rin po ang ICI. Pero yun po talaga ang proseso according to the officials of DPWH.
So don't you find it weird for a district engineer to say, ginalaw namin itong lump sum, ginawan namin ng proyekto, all the technicalities, etc., ipinangalan namin sa isang senador? I'm not trying to defend myself here, Secretary. I'm just saying, how could that be? No, dito ho, he was under oath and he made mention about it. Ang only goal natin dito, Secretary, is that hindi naman sana mangyari ho ulit ito. Hindi naman sa susunod si Senator Loren o si Senator Win ang ituturo na ginalaw nila without their knowledge. Unprogrammed. So, yun lang po, no? That's why I have very strong reservations sa mga unprogrammed funds, especially with what happened. Siya na mismo yung nagsabi na hindi alam ng kahit sinong legislator, and during the course of the hearing, binabanggit niya, walang may alam. So, again, if unprogrammed funds will continue to flourish or will be part of the budget, I have very strong reservation, Mr. Chairman, unless we know what to do with this. Because again, records will bail me out, Mr. Secretary. A district engineer claimed that thing happened. And that's the reason why this representation's name is also being dragged. And again, I'm not trying to defend myself. It's just that we have to set the record straight and magkaroon tayo ng tamang sistema and accountability, Secretary.